Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Isbrahalas. Narito po tayo ngayon upang pag-usapan ang 5 home remedies for dry cough and colds. Number 1 is lagundi, oregano, alagaw, ginger, at ang tinatawag nating kalamansi. Paano pa dapat itong gawin? Lagundi. Place 7 cluster of lagundi in a pot of 2 glasses of water and bring it to a boil. Then drink it for every 4 hours. Number 2 is alagaw. Place a handful alagaw of leaves into a pot of water and bring it to a boil, and then drink it every 4 hours. Number 3 is the oregano. Place 3 to 5 leaves of these common herbs into a pot with hot water for 15 minutes. Then drink the resulting mixture to relieve cough and colds. And then number 4 is the ginger. Cut ginger into a long thin strip. 1 strip of ginger can place in the mouth, can act as a throatless lozenge. And the last one is the calamansi. Calamansi juice has been used for immune booster for new generation, and it can also help the cholesterol level. And take note guys, ginger is also known as salabat or the ginger tea. Thank you guys, welcome to my channel. And then kung hindi pa po kayo subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and pakipindot na rin po ng notification bell para po kayo lagi po kayo ma-update. Salamat, bye bye.